guys, Heather of US Japan Fam here to unbox my first ever FabFitFun subscription box. It is my first time partnering with them and I'm very excited to see what is inside. Basically, it is released 4 times a year and you can subscribe and get it for $49.99. One box, or you can do the annual subscription is $199, but I think it's on sale $179 right now. And link in video description to get more information and to sign up with my code to get $10 off. The code is Heather10. So let's see what is inside. This is their winter box. All right, so basically you open it up and first you get some advertisements, I guess from sponsors and whatnot. Here's a sample of the purple mattress. Pretty cool, it's nice and squishy. We've got some gift cards. What is this? Sterling Forever, a jewelry company. Ooh, a code for FabFitFun subscription discount, which mine is Heather10, $10 off. There's HelloFresh and their own little magazine, FabFitFun. That's fun. Ta-da! Lots of goodies to see. Okay, so they say it's a $200 value inside and you get it for about 50 bucks or with the discount 40 bucks. And it's a fun way to try stuff that maybe you would never have discovered on your own. So let's see what is in this one. This is the winter box. We have Fleur de Sel scented candle from Jonathan Adler. Let's see what this smells like and looks like. It is a cute little box, nice design. Ooh, I smell it already. Oh yes. Oh yes, that is yummy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's see, it's all boxed up. And, oh yum, and this smells really good. Let's take it out. I'm gonna make a mess here. You don't mind, do you? Oh yes, that's really, it's like a fresh, really nice, and it's very simple, no design, it's just a white kind of porcelain maybe. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It's not like a wintry, it's just a very fresh, almost like freshly laundered clothes or something like that's really nice. So this is Fleur de Sel by Jonathan Adler, a candle. And let's see, what is next we got? Ooh, a Bluetooth shower speaker from Bando. This is neat, guys. Waterproof shower speaker. Listen to music in the shower. Or the kids can listen to stuff when they're taking a bath. So neat. Okay, it's got a little USB plug and it has a suction cup and really cute design. There's an on-off button, there's forward, rewind, play, stop, and phone call buttons. Neato. All right, cool. We're getting really a variety of stuff here. Let's see what else we've got in here. Wait. This is original pink makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Is this for real? Neato. Let's see, what's free of alcohol, oils, astringents, parabens, dyes, fragrances, and sulfites. Hashtag no more wipes. Wow, how does this work? Antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years. Talk about eco-friendly. Great for sensitive skin and saves money. #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. Whoa, let's check this out. What is this? Oh, it basically looks like a washcloth. Bye bye makeup wipes forever. What? The original makeup eraser. How to use: 1, wash; 2, wet; 3, erase; 4, exfoliate. Wash approximately 1 to 2 times per week. Interesting. Gotta try this out. Have you guys tried this? You can't comment on my video, but you can comment over on social media. US Japan Fam, on Instagram, Facebook, you name it. Come find me and comment on this stuff if you tried any of it. Let's see what's next. Soft Focus Glow Drops by Rodeo. Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. Ooh, a glow primer. So this is a kind of makeup. Neato. Next is Prep Rally by Dry Bar. We all know that brand. Prime and Prep Detangler, which is awesome, especially in the winter when I'm wearing my hats and stuff. My hair gets so naughty. This is good. That's really cool. Okay, so that's Prime and Prep Detangler by Dry Bar. And this is, let's see if I can say this right, Cuccio Somatology Yoga. Literally, that's what it says, yoga. Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Daily Cleansing Ritual with Lavender Oil. This is neat. A new cleansing ritual made to calm the senses, made with lavender oil, pro-vitamin B5, and shea butter. This sounds amazing for dry winter hands. Very cool. I'm gonna link all of these products below. Beauty Bakerie. Proof is in the pudding. Eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is fun. I almost never wear eyeshadow, so I kind of need this for the inspiration. And then I'm gonna have to turn to YouTube on how to use it. So fun. It's like, I didn't know when I saw this in there, I had no idea it was makeup. It looked like a CD almost. Proof is in the pudding. Okay, so let's see this palette. Ooh, that's nice. We have, look at these colors. All right, we got rice pudding, chia pudding, bread pudding, butterscotch, spiced caramel, mango pudding, nana pudding, warm cocoa, almond jelly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors in a very similar color scheme, but to highlight and contour and all that good stuff. And got some fun shimmers in there. That is nice. Nice colors for winter. And last but certainly not least, we have the Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. Instantly removes makeup from brushes. Dry cleaner, instantly clean, reusable by Vera. So directions: glide makeup brush against the Color Switch sponge in a circular motion to remove color. No liquid or cleaner needed. Color Switch is reusable. Simply wash with soap and water, lay flat to dry. Let's see here. Ooh. All right. Oh, whoa. Oh, I see. So it's got like a scrubby kind of, I don't know if you can see, a scrubby thing. I guess you just brush it off in there, you know, and it's got a, this little top then. You can shut it and store it away. Color Switch by Vera. Neato. Okay, so guys, that is all of the stuff in my box. Again, they say it's a $200 value and you get it for $49.99, or with the code Heather10 you get it for $39.99, and you can save also by subscribing for the full year. Really fun if you like subscription boxes and beauty. And it wasn't just beauty stuff. I mean, they had the candles and they had the shower Bluetooth speaker. Very neat. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. I do a lot of family-friendly product and travel reviews. We've got 3 cute kids. Be sure to like this video, comment over on social media, US Japan fam. Let me know what you think. Bye.